What's up, traders? I welcome you guys to my channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to check up on me. Now, in today's video, I'll be showing us an alternative or the easiest way to create a trading robot without coding, without having to overthink the process, or without having to go through the stress of moving blocks. Okay, so I'll be showing us how we can make use of artificial intelligence like the ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Cloud AI, and so on and so forth. How you can make use of these applications to create your own trading robot. All right. So in today's video, I'll be teaching us three things. Number one is how you can prompt these applications. Okay. And number two is how you can compile the codes you'll be given. Okay. And number three, which is the most important part, is how you can correct errors, because at some point you might encounter some errors and you need to know how you can correct these errors. So these are the three things you'll be learning in this video today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also if you have any request or any comment, drop it in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section to answer any question. So without wasting much of our time, let's go. All right, guys, so for the sake of this tutorial, you are going to be needing one application. Okay, you'll be needing one application, which is your MT5 terminal or your MT4 terminal, depending on the kind of trading robot you want to create, either for MT4 or for MT5. So you'll be needing your terminal. Okay, so this is the terminal. It is the terminal you are going to be using to compile the codes that you are going to be given. Okay, so after that, all you need to do is to visit cloud.ai. You can see that cloud.ai. I would recommend you use cloud.ai instead of ChatGPT, because cloud.ai will always get the job done when it comes to programming or anything that has to do with programming. Okay, ChatGPT is not really designed to undo tasks like this, okay, to get the job done, but there's a high probability of you getting errors, okay, along the line. So I recommend ChatGPT always. Okay, always. So the next thing is ensure you have your strategy. Okay, your strategy. Ensure that you have your strategy. Okay, your strategy. So the strategy we are going to be creating for is an engulfing candlestick pattern, okay, which is a candle, okay, a bearish candle engulfing two bullish candle, rather a bearish candle engulfing two bullish candle, and a bullish candle engulfing two bearish candle. So this is something like this. As you can see, we have a bearish candle engulfing two bullish candle here. So our stop loss will be above. Okay, our stop loss will be above the high of this candle. Okay, and also a bullish candle engulfing two bearish candle. Okay, this is a bullish candle here. This is a bullish candle here engulfing two bearish candles. So our stop loss will be at the low. Okay, at the low. Okay, so now let's proceed. So I've written out the prompts. Okay, so this is my prompt. So I just write it out to save us time. Okay, here's the buy condition. Okay, buy condition: bullish candle engulfs two bearish candle. Okay, stop loss below the low of the bullish candle. Okay, and also I stated that ensure that the close of the candle of the bullish candle is above the high of the bearish candles, which is something like this, that the close of this candle here, okay, the close of this bullish candle should be above the high of these bearish candles, which will signify a bullish or a correct bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, now the next thing I did was to set the take profit ratio, which is 1:3. Okay, 1:3 risk to reward. Same thing for the sell condition. Okay, a bearish candle engulfs two bullish candles. Okay, stop loss above the high of the bearish candle, which is something like this. Stop loss will be above. Okay, so then ensure that the close of the bearish candle is below the low of the bullish candle, which is something like this. The close here must be below it to ensure that this is an original engulfing candlestick pattern. So same thing, take profit 1:3, then let there be a trailing stop. Okay, I want there to be a trailing stop. Okay, so I inserted that also. So The next thing we need to do is to copy our prompt. Okay, copy your prompt. All right, and add to cloud.ai. Then you paste it. Okay, you paste it, and do not forget, state the type of trading robot you want it to create for, either for MT5 or for MT4. If you do not do this, it's going to automatically create an MT4 trading robot for you. So you need to ensure that you add it in your prompt. Let's say make it a MT5 format. That's it. So then you click on enter and watch it generate the codes for you. Okay, you can see that I will create an MT5 expert advisor that implements your engulfing pattern strategy with the specified conditions. So we've specified the conditions, okay, strictly the risk to reward ratio you want to use, and also the trading stop. So it's easier for it to create. You see, it's going to create this code in less than 30 seconds. And I can guarantee that there will be, or there might be, no errors. Okay, it's done. You can see that it says I've created an MT5 expert advisor that implements your engulfing pattern. Okay, it detects a bullish candle, current engulfs two bearish candles. Okay, sell conditions still the same thing. Trailing stop functionality that automatically adjusts stop loss. Okay, customizable lot size. Okay, so yeah, so now the code has been given to us. So the next thing we need to do is to copy the codes. Just click on copy here. Okay, so after you've copied your code, the next thing you need to do is to head over to your MT5 terminal. So you come to an MT5 terminal, then you head over to IDE. You can see the side that says IDE. You click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it's going to open the MT5 meta editor. That is where you can edit your codes. You can modify your code, you can type in your code. All right, so now once it's open, the next thing you want to do is to click on new. Okay, click on new, then click on expert advisor generate, then you click on next. Okay, you click on next, then you input the name you want to use for this trading robot. So let's say double candle engulfing. Okay, double candle engulfing. Then we click on next. Okay, just click on add, click on OK, then click on next again. Okay, you just need to bypass this stage, then just click on finish. Now all you need to do is double click. All you need to do is to Control A. Okay, click on Control A, or just delete all the codes you find there. You don't need them. Then the next thing you need to do is to paste the code you've copied from Cloud AI. Okay, the code you copied from here. Okay, you come here, you paste it inside, and that's it. So once you pasted it, then you click on compile. You see the compile button at the top, and click on compile, and that's how you can see it's compiling. Now it's done compiling. It says 0 errors, 0 warning, which means the code is perfect. There is no warning, there is no error. That's just it. That's how simple it is to use to create a trading robot using Cloud AI. So once you've done this, then head over to your MT5, then you locate your trading robot. You can see it here, double candle engulfing. You can see it here. Automatically it is there. So you right click on it. We need to test it now. You right click on it and you click on test. All right, so we are going to be testing on gold. Okay, we'll be testing on gold, and let's test on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here are the inputs. Here are the default inputs. 0.1 lot size. This is the risk to reward ratio. Okay, this is the risk to reward ratio, and also this is the trailing stop. Enable trailing stop. Yeah, we are going to set it to true because we want to use trailing stop. So now here's the trailing stop distance in points, and this is the trailing step. So what this trailing step means is how many pips distance should it go in profit before it starts trailing. So let's just input let's say 5,000 points. Okay, and the trailing stop should be, let's say, 5,000 points also. Yeah, so now let's test and see if this trading robot is going to do exactly what we have programmed it to do. Okay, so yeah, yeah, everything's set. So let's click on start here at the right hand corner. Let's click on start. All right, guys, so the testing has begun. So let's see. Let's test and let's see if this trading robot is going to do exactly what we have programmed it to do. Okay, so if taking a sell here, you can see this is the sell. This is the bearish engulfing candle, engulfing two bullish candles, and the stop loss is above the high of the candle. Now the take profit is ×2 of the stop loss. Now this shows that this trading robot is doing what we want it to do. But then let's see if it's going to trail the stop loss. Okay, let's see how this trade ends. Okay, so we've taken a loss on our first trade. Hopefully we are going to recover. All right, so we've taken a buy trade here. We've taken a buy trade here. You can see where the stop loss is below the candle stick. Okay, so let's see. Nice. You can see the trailing stop moving, the stop loss moving. You can see it. Now the stop loss is above the entry point. Okay, so now we've closed in profit. We've closed in profit. So now we are recovering. So we've taken a trade here again. All right, so let's see. You can see that we've closed in profit also with the trading stop. Now we have recovered. You can see that we have recovered. Now you can see that it is pretty much simple to create a trading robot using AI. Okay, that's just it. You really don't have any stress if you can write your prompts, okay, in a way whereby the AI can understand, then you are good to go, and all you need to do is test, and that's just it. Now you can see that it is easy as ABC, okay. So that's just it. Let's check out for other trades and see how it is going to execute. But this is amazing, isn't it? Okay, so we've taken a trade here too. You can see this bearish engulfing candle engulfing two bullish candles, and then the trading stop is already moving, and this is where the take profit is. Let's see how it goes. Nice. You can see that went well. And by doing this, we've not written any code. We've not moved any blocks, and that's just the beauty of it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I believe you've learned something new today. Okay, and also if you want to learn how you can do all of this by yourself, how you can program any kind of trading strategy using AI, all you need to do is to send me a DM on WhatsApp or on Telegram. I'm going to put it through. I've created a list of courses that's going to assist you on doing this, any kind of strategy whatsoever, how you can program them to trading robots, and you'll be good to go. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video. Ensure you share this video to your fellow traders so that they can get to learn one or two things from this video. Yeah, so that's just it. Actually, we can also go back. Okay, we can also go back here and add more prompts. Maybe you want to add the trend filter, you want it to trade along with the direction of the market. You can still come here, add more prompts, and the AI is going to generate a new code with your command. So that's just it. That's how simple it is. Okay, so yeah, this is a beauty curve. You can see that here is a beauty curve. This shows our trading robot is doing fine. So I'll be sending this trading robot for free. Okay, I'll be giving out for free on my Telegram community. All you need to do is to join my Telegram community. Search for Learn with SOS on Telegram. It's a free group you can join for free. I'll be sending this trading robot in the group, and you can get to test it, and if you like it, you can begin to use it for free, guys. Okay, so that will be all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on post notification so that you don't get to miss my next video. My next video will be how you can correct errors. Okay, how you can possibly correct errors, or how you can create with ChatGPT and correct any errors. Okay, so don't forget to like and turn on post notification so that you won't miss my next video. So I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and have a lovely day.